This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Bsi Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 17 of the 2015-2016 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 50,097 tons of cane. So far, for the 17 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 780,806 tons of cane. That is 75,139 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory ground 855,945 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 5,444 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 17 and a total of 74,895 tons during the 17 weeks of crop. That figure continues to be much less than the 106,528 tons produced last year. For the 17th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 7,157 tons cane per day and 6,561 tons cane per day for the 17 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,193 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 17, juice purity first expressed stood at 86.03%, 85.10% for the 17 weeks of crop, and 88.23% last year. For the 17th week of crop, it took 9.20 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 17 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 10.43. Last year, it stood at 8.03. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.51% was recorded for this week, 95.84% for the 17 weeks of crop, and 95.32% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 99.26%, 96.06% for the 17 weeks of crop, and 97.63% last crop. Cañeros, cañeras, durante la zafra, las actividades de quema y cosecha deben ser planeadas bien con el objetivo de minimizar el tiempo de quema a entrega para asegurar la entrega de caña fresca y de calidad al ingenio. Cañeros, recuerden que a partir de las 24 horas, la caña quemada comienza a deteriorarse, resultando en una pérdida importante de azúcar.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Bsi Sugar Industries Limited.